lasting impression, making you feel confident and absolutely fabulous. Get ready for hair transformation like no other. I am sorry if you hear any background noise. Please bear with me, and I promise it will not take away from your enjoyment of this video. Ladies, get ready to witness the beauty and elegance of these short haircuts. Each style is a work of art meant to make you fall in love. From sleek and sophisticated to bold and daring, this collection has something for everyone. Just picture the shine, sophistication, and sheer elegance of these hairstyles. They are designed to make you feel like a fashion icon. These ideas will take your styling to new heights, giving you confidence and grace. Embrace some of the most stunning short haircuts you have ever seen. It's grayish, whitish, blackish or brownish colors. These magnificent colors can enhance these hairstyles. The right hair color has the power to transform your look, adding depth and dimension to your haircut. These carefully chosen shades are meant to complement your unique features. Prepare to be amazed by the transformation. These short haircuts can take years of your appearance, giving you a fresh and youthful look. Watch the magic as your hair goes from ordinary to extraordinary. You'll be astonished by the impact these hairstyles can create. We want to apologize for any background noise that is the language barrier. Our main goal is to provide you with an entertaining and visually appealing fashion video. Your support and feedback means a lot to us. Unleash your inner fashionista with these stylish short haircuts. Whether you are into a chic and sophisticated bob or a trendy pixie cut, this video offers endless inspiration. These hairstyles are all about making a statement and showcasing your unique sense of style. If you enjoyed this video and want more fantastic haircut ideas, please remember to like and subscribe to my channel. By subscribing, you will get notifications whenever I release new content, ensuring you stay up to date with the latest trends and hairstyles. subscribe button and become a part of our community. Oh, fabulous lady.